All right, back we go. Looking at these videos, January 31st, Sunday. CRPV. Let's take a look. Yeah, this is a biotech, 77 million float, 155 million market cap. Any news recently? Nothing really that recent. Clinical stage pharma development commercialization of various therapeutics to treat rare, chronic, serious inflammatory fibric diseases. So, yeah, they have a lot of drugs. Obviously, they had a failed drug here. You can see on the screen here the daily chart. This was climbing, climbing. This got the 9 plus, and then this dropped off like a rock. So you can see right here, see this 250 line? We bounced down. Another little gap. We found the one line. Started to climb here, 150. Came back to 123. This was a nice move. We thought this was the move we're going to keep going, but it didn't happen. It was big volume here. Got as high as 236, then it sort of like fell off. Look at this right here. Now you're touching your 1320 EMA. Is it going to bounce? See right here, you have a low. Low keeps getting higher. Yeah, that would be a good spot here. We get bounce right here next week up. I think that possibly could happen. I'm not sure. See the stochastics coming down. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to go to 150. I don't really think we're going all the way down on this one. So look for this area, maybe 150 at the lowest. It bounce. I think we could bounce here, maybe a little below it. And then, test this 250 line. Because once you get to 250, I don't see nothing here. Once you're above 250, I would look for right for this 350 line. Yeah, this is the big line right here because there's nothing around it. So you got to get the something that's close by, and it'll be the 350 line. So here we are. It looks like cup and handle. One, you have like two is the total bottom. Three, I guess you could call this three. It moved up near the line. Remember, nothing's exact in charting. Three, four, right here. Then we're gonna get five. We move up and then pull back. So this is great potential. CRBP. All right, let's look at Ebon. All right, this is a 76 million float. No news in a long time on this. Engages manufacturer of sale of Bitcoin mining machines, telecommunication products, People's Republic of China. There you go. Saw this July move. For this one all the way to 14, came all the way back down November. Really big gap down. And look where it found. Four support. And we went up to 8. Look at this. Look at these wicks. Couldn't break that 8 level. Then we came back again. We're sort of, in between. Had a good day, had a bad day here. We're oversold though. We're at 20. It's very good. Stochastics level, you're very oversold. Yeah, I could see this easily getting to 7, maybe back to 8 here. So it is good potential here long. I like this setup. And your stop, 5, 450. Each stop is bigger. So 5, your closer stop. We'll see what happens tomorrow. 450, then 4 will be your ultimate stop because it stopped there before. You can see this move. It's a winding down. The high's getting lower, the low's holding. So we're going back and forth. So this has good potential too. It's China play you have to be careful with though. All right, NVIV. Float 21 million, therapeutic biotechnology, 27 million market cap. Let's see, no news recently. Clinical stage, biomaterials, biotechnology. Gage is developing biopolymer scaffolding devices for spinal cord injuries. Yeah, this has had a big run. So you can see here I had this line drawn. See it broke out of this. Heavy volume down here. You can change your lines to go to, this 250 line right here. And then right here, this 50-cent line. get it right on the line here. 250. All right, so you see this big gap down, back and forth, went to this 150 line. See how it tested in April, tested in June. It went sideways for a long time. Then it just flattened out. October, it really dropped off. Found the 50-cent line. This was a great buy, whoever caught it. See, this is when you want to buy. You want to buy at the low. And, how do you know it's the low? It's not easy to determine a low. You just got to look at the chart, see where you're at. 50 cents on this from the drop. You sort of saw it go sideways for a while. It's a good sign. Went up higher, 60, 70. See, just look at these lines, 80. You're just climbing here. And this exploded up to 180 plus. Big indecision candle. Then you had this big red candle coming down now. Now you're on their backside here. See this? You're going down. Now, how far down are we going? You'd like this to stop maybe 110 at the most at one level. It's really important here 'cause this is the other part of the gap where before it gapped down. 110. I don't like it any lower. Any lower, you're just going back down. It's not good. You need to keep getting higher lows and form a base. So look for that. Look for a bounce soon if it's truly strong. And then if we come up, back up we go. Fill this little gap here. Back to 150. Back to 190. Two, and eventually test this 250. And then longer term into the gap here. You can make a line. Came up here. Let's see, where's it at? Yeah, pretty much this 5 line. This 5 line right here. Right here. So you can see it. So another one is just the pattern. The base, try to go up a few times. It goes down to its low point. Heavy volume here. And we'll see what it does here. We're getting in these modes. Are they going to bounce? Are they going to drop? Caught in between a lot of these. So to be determined on NVIV. Still looks good long term potential here. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Hit the like button. Trade ideas, referral, my link. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stocks Bites, Mike Cayman Trades. In all these videos, I'm making short videos. They're pretty much recaps. 7 to 15 minutes. Sort. I'm not going over a lot of fundamentals, statistics. Just going over the chart because they've made big moves and now we're caught in the next move. So that's where we stand right now. All right, that is it. Peace.